Alright guys, just a quick update here. Bear with me, I don't have a tripod or a gimbal. I'm just holding my phone in a phone grip on my hand. So basically, in the middle of all this KTM craze right now, I haven't kept you guys updated on the KX250. So I wanted to make a really quick and short video doing that. So you guys know I bought a brand new 2019 KTM 450. That's going to be my moto bike for the foreseeable future, but the KX is still going to be my off-road machine. It's fairly clean, as in it's not an old destroyed two-stroke. I've got a lot of new stuff on it. I've done some new plastic on it. I put some hand guards, some stuff on the bars. I've got the P3. I'm working on doing some skid tape and stuff like that. But this is all I need for the off-roading I'm doing right now. It's not super imperative that I have a new bike for off-road. I would love a counterbalanced low RPM Husky or KTM, but I do one thing at a time. So for this year, any off-road riding I do or any racing will be on this machine. Maybe some light off-roading on the WR, and I still haven't got the electric start down on it yet. Until I do, I probably won't take it that far. So I've kind of left this thing unattended in the past couple months. If you watched much of my New Year's single track series, I had to ride with the bars like this for like 20 miles. So I have two other KXs right here that I can pull the top clamp off of, but they are the handlebar clamps that go to the top triple clamp are 7/8. So I need to order some fat bar clamps so I can still use my Mica Metals bars. If you remember, what happened was the dampers in this Pro Taper top clamp just disintegrated almost all at once. They don't make those anymore. Pro Taper actually discontinued this clamp like back in 2009 or something. So I'm just going to put stock ones on there for now. I'm just going to have to buy some bar mounts for it. So I got to do that. I've got some bark buster bolts that are like loose, but they're stripped. And then this side fell out or ripped out at some point. So what I'm going to do is take these out and basically thread my bar ends just to make it a simpler, more durable setup. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to try to get my hands on that new Polysport Restyle kit. That's a simple bolt up and go. I think that would be really cool. It's about the same price as a regular kit. And once I grab that Polysport bolt up kit, I'll probably do graphics as well. I already have the parts to service the shock. If you look at it closely, the bumper is like half gone. So I'm going to service the shock, probably going to throw some gold valves in it, do the same on the forks, try to fix some bearings. Got the Shinko 505 on the back, should last me the whole season, as little as I get to ride. But yeah, so that's my plans with this thing. We're going to get it going, and it if anything breaks on, if anything happens, there's two more of them right out here that I can grab parts off of. Both of these KX250s run. They're just missing random body parts that I've robbed and have been too cheap to replace. So, yeah. So, be doing the KTM for moto, the KX for off-road, and trying to get the WR lined out a little more to make it just a little more reliable and user-friendly, and get the electric start all lined out on it, and do some performance dual sport stuff on it. So yeah, I have not forgotten about the KX. I've had a lot of guys ask me on some of the Facebook groups, why are you still in the KX group if you bought a KTM? Guys, I've been riding KX for 20 years. I have obviously more than just the 16 KX450. You know, Chris is riding a 250F. There's a KLX 110, Versus 650, KLR 650. There's a KX 500 over there. Like, I'm just not riding a KX 450F, at least right now in moto, because it makes more sense for me to be on the KTM. I'm working as a KTM tech. I need to support my dealership. I need to promote this brand, and honestly, the bike's sick. So, yeah, and I have other groups on Facebook too. You know, Honda, Suzuki. I don't really ride in many of those. So, yeah, I'll still be on Cowie's this year. And after putting the Recluse and the flywheel weight and all this stuff on this bike, I love this KX250. It's a fun woods bike. So, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. And, yeah, see you guys in the next vid. To all my Cowie people, I'm still riding Cowie. Later.